Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 15-minute chart of gold USD. Yes, today I'm in a 15-minute chart because most of you prefer to trade on gold for scalping or day trading only. So as a result, I have switched to a lower time frame, but do not worry, the levels that I have derived are from the higher time frame. So before I proceed with the chart, I would like to take you to the forex sentiment meter. In the forex sentiment meter, we can see that 42% retail traders have taken short position and 57% retail traders have taken long position. So retail traders are also confused right now in which direction the gold will be moving. So we do not have a clear direction from the forex sentiment meter. So these are the important levels on the chart of gold right now. So let's try to understand these levels one by one. So first of all, let's talk about the strongest resistance in this chart as of now is 1965. So if market goes up on Monday, Tuesday, or in the coming week, okay, you can expect market to face heavy selling around 1965. But as we all know that no level is permanent in the market, so always make sure that you observe the market first. If market goes up and reverses from 1965 level, you can expect selling and you can take a sell position. The strongest resistance on the chart of gold is 1965 as of now. The current market price is 1925. This is the current market price or the last traded price of gold. Okay, so the second strongest resistance on the chart of gold is 1958 to 1960. This is the second strongest resistance on the chart of gold. So if market before reaching the 1965 level, the market will have to pass through 1958 and 1960. So these two are the strongest resistance for the market for the coming week. Okay, and the strongest support for the market is around 1890 to 1895. In case there's a heavy fall in the market, sharp selling in the market, you can expect market to take support around 1895 1890. So these three levels should be there in your chart. So at any given point of time, you can expect market to take reversal from these levels. So these levels are very important for the gold traders as of now. Clear? Now let's try to understand the levels for the Monday. Okay. Market closed at 1925. This is the last traded price. So if after the market opening, if market tries to go up from here, then the first selling level will be around 1930 to 1934, because this is a minor resistance in the market. Keep in mind, this is not a very strong resistance, rather this is a minor resistance. And if you observe the chart here on the lower time frame like 15 minutes, or if I also take you to the 1 hour time frame, you'll see that right now gold is forming higher lows in the market. Okay, gold is forming higher lows, lower highs in the lower highs in the market. It means gold is unable to cross the previous highs. So there is a presence of sellers in the market that we cannot deny. Right now we can see that gold is trying to take support around 1920 level, okay, but gold is still not free from the dominance of sellers right now. So there may be selling in the market as well. So if gold tries to recover also around 1930 to 1934 level, we can expect some sort of selling. If gold goes up and reverses from 1930 to 1934 level, we can take a sell position. If like this, just make sure that you get the proper confirmation. The confirmation will be in the form of a shooting star, price rejection from above, or bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, once you get the confirmation that gold is facing selling pressure around 1930 to 1934 level, you can take a sell position. And if gold breaks it, okay, if there is a buying in the market, if market gets very bullish, then the next resistance will be 1945 to 1950 level. This is the next selling zone for gold, where you can expect gold to face selling pressure. One thing I would also like to add here, in case there is a good buying in the market, if you see that market is going up, good amount of bullishness is present in the market above 1935 level, you can also take a buy position as well above 1935 if the bullishness is there in the market. Okay, if you do not understand the volume, if you do not understand trend breakout and all, then you can leave it. Okay, if market reverses from 1932 1934 level, go for a sell, and if market breaks it, the next selling level will be around 1945 1950. Okay, these two are the minor resistance in the market. Strongest resistance is around 1965 and 1958 to 1960. So these are the four levels on the chart of gold that are acting as resistance right now. Yes, there are also multiple resistances, but beginners can focus on these levels and you can take a sell position if you see market reversing from these levels. Okay, and if market comes down to the support level of 1920 to 1917, yes, I have been talking about this level for a long time. So if market comes down to a level of 1920 to 1917, you can expect market to take support again. But keep in mind, market has been constantly forming lower highs in the market. Okay, lower highs signify the increase in number of sellers. So if you find market testing the level of 1920 to 1917 again, observe the market first and see how the market is reacting. If you see just like the previous time, market is trying to take support or price is being rejected from below, you can go for a buy again. But in case you see that selling pressure is high enough, market is unable to hold the support level, in that case you can go for a sell below 1917. Yes, if the selling pressure is high enough, you can go for a sell below 1917 as well, if the selling pressure is high. And the next support will be around 1912 to 1913. This is the next support. And after this, after the 1912 and 1913, the next support will be 1900 to 1902. So these are the minor support in the market. Keep in mind, these are not very strong support. In case there is a heavy fall in the market, then the market will not be able to hold, these levels will not be able to hold the market. Okay, under normal circumstances, if there is no news in the market, simply you can see the market is going down, then only you can expect market to take support around these levels. Otherwise, these are minor levels, market will not be able to hold it. Okay, so this is the overall setup on gold right now. And my dear friends, as you all know that I am in a mission for the next 2 months to spread knowledge. So I have started the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, then please check out the link in the description. Okay, and if you are simply looking for signals, then what you can do is you can simply join the Pro Trader Lite program. Okay, it's only $2 per month. Okay, this is the cheapest signal service in the whole world, I believe. Okay, the reason is that I really want every one of you to earn money from the market. That's it. And have a great weekend. All the best. Take care, and please follow proper risk management.